patience finally paid off, man. So I was able to get this particular pair of shoes for $100, man. I knew that they were going on sale eventually. So I just waited. Let me show you the invoice real quick. Let me cover up my information and all that good stuff. So boom, I don't want to show you the name of the shoe, but let me just go to the price real quick if that's popping up. I can't even see what I'm doing. Oh, I think I showed you too much. But yeah, as you can see, hopefully you can. Yeah. So yeah, man, you see the box, the OG Nike box, which is always cool to see in my opinion. We don't wear the box, but you know, I like it. Whew. Yeah, you see it, you see it. Definitely one of the joints I wanted to add to the list, man. Add to the collection. The OG Air Max 97 in the gold bullet. It looks like, yo, somebody try these joints on? Is that why they were $99? That's kind of crazy. You see, they look fat and wide. Like, I don't know. It's kind of weird. But yeah. Air Max 97 in the gold bullets, or metallic gold, gold metal, whatever you want to call it. So you can see the all over gold on these joints, man. It's kind of like a, I don't know. You get a different shade. I guess it's the materials make it look, you know, like a different color. But on the toe box, you get mesh as well as, I don't know if that's like a leather or like a rubberized, some kind of rubber material. You also get like the leather, the gold leather on the toe cap, which is crazy. I didn't know with the silver bullets, man, that one of these stripes were white. So I actually wore them the first time like a week or two ago, and I was looking down like, yo, I never noticed that there was a white stripe. I just assumed like the entire shoe was silver. Now this is a fun fact that I don't look at my shoes, I just put them on. But yeah, this one I don't see anything crazy. This is definitely all gold. Then you get that red hit right there on the Nike swoosh with the black border. Get it on the lateral and the medial sides, which is, you know, pretty dope. Nice little pop of color, especially for the 49er fans out there. You also get that hit of red right there on the tongue as well. Black and white outsole, hit of red. You still get the gold. You also get the gold in the air unit, as you can see that. I don't know if that's coming through in the camera. But yeah, you get the gold in the air bubble, so it's pretty dope too. Not much to this shoe, man. Air Max on the back and that red. But it was just one of those shoes that, you know, if I can complete the pack, especially for a good price, I'm gonna do it. Now the silver bullets, you can get them all day for under like $140. Of course, when I got them, I had to get the full price, which I'm not complaining about. I didn't have to play resale, and I was able to get my size no problem. But these for the 100, that's like steal of the year in my opinion. Especially for this. I know a lot of sneakerheads or people that buy shoes now, they don't care about the OGs, which is cool for me. So if it's like an old shoe that I always wanted or couldn't get my hands on it, or just a shoe that I really appreciate now that I'm older, and like these, because I never really cared about Air Max, but now that I'm, you know, of age, I guess I can buy my own stuff. I can appreciate some of the classic shoes that are like retro now for the first time in a few years or for the first time ever. And you know, a lot of the guys now they're wearing shoes, girls, whatever, they like the collabs and stuff, which is cool. So like a lot of the OG stuff go under the radar, man, or fly under the radar. But I can't always capitalize on that because my foot size, you know, size 12, 12 and a half, it's kind of hard to wait for stuff to go on sale because they are usually the first pairs gone. So anytime I can get a 12 for the low, man, it's a W in my book. Yeah, let me know what you think about the gold bullets. I know a lot of people, they weren't really checking for these, or they were going to wait for them to go on sale, which they have. So if you're waiting and your patience paid off, man, let me know down in the comments. But yeah, other than that, man, there's nothing much to this shoe. Dope, OG. Shout out to 97. I heard it was a good year. I wouldn't know. I was only 5. Appreciate y'all for watching.